Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Android phones stuck in headphone mode. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, force restart your phone. You will have the volume down button outside your phone, okay, or a physical button, volume down. Also the power button. You gotta want to hold those keys simultaneously for about 7 to 10 seconds, so it will force restart your phone. Now, once it boots up, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, you can go ahead and find, okay, swipe down right here in your quick panel, swipe down once more, and then under media output, tap on it. Make sure to select speakers right here. For example, I'm going to play a music right here under YouTube music. Okay, once that's playing, as you can see here, we have it playing. Now go ahead and swipe down once more. Now go ahead and find media output, tap on media output. And if you have the option to change it from headphones to phone speakers, we'll select phone speakers, okay? Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and find the headphone jack, okay? Go ahead and clean the headphone jack, as maybe debris, lint, or metals are inside, okay, your headphone jack. Well, what you gotta do is just clean it, use a Q-tip, or maybe a toothpick, or other means just to clean the dirt, debris, or some other stuff inside your headphone jack, okay? Gotta clean them, as our phones right here may read it as a headphone, okay? Go ahead and clean them, and once done, you should be good to go. Now, if that doesn't work, well, you have the Play Store right here. Go ahead and find an application called Disable Headphone right here. Tap on it and download this one, okay? Disable Headphone HD SD Toggle. Tap on Install, open it up, and once it's open, just select the option Speakers and tap on Test Sound, and you should be good to go. That is it. That's how you fix your Android phone if it's stuck in headphone mode. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.